Here is a breakdown of IBM Planning Analytics for Excel version 2.0.101, also known as 2.1.8, released on February 11th, 2025. This version improves the set, the action button, and a method to trigger watsonx AI. The sets improvements allows administrators to manage the number of members displayed in a drop-down menu in Excel. By default, the value is set to 500. However, this property can be adjusted to reduce the amount of data requested from the server, potentially enhancing performance when retrieving members from larger sets. You can find this property in the Cognos Office Reporting Settings file named Team1 Sets Drop-Down Limits. Creating an action button is more flexible due to its redesign, allowing you to initiate a process, navigate, or perform an AI job independently or in combination with other actions. For example, you can configure a process to run and then navigate, or configure an AI job to run after a process has completed successfully. To elaborate on the capabilities of the AI job within the action button, you can initiate watsonx AI, which allows you to configure and create action buttons that seamlessly integrate AI capabilities to your workflow. And that wraps up the features for Planning Analytics for Excel version 2.0.101.